So we're going to read story 2 in Snazzy Snake. And what is Snazzy Snake? A fancy snake. And remember, in story 1, Snazzy Snake wasn't very fancy until one day he shed his skin. The title of this chapter is called Snake Smiles a Little Smile. And who is the story about? It's about Snazzy. Now, remember, boys, just like last time, I want you to put your finger on the screen. I want you to put your finger on the dot here underneath the big word. And remember, just like last time, you read the words that have the dot under it, and I read the small print, okay? So put your finger on the first dot and get ready. Read the first sound. What sound is that? "Sss," said Snake. "I'm so pretty in my new clothes." Read the next one. What word is this? I will go visiting in my brand new clothes. Where is Snazzy going? Snazzy's going to show off her new clothes. Next page. Your turn. Put your finger on the dot. What sound? Sss, said Snake, but the hens took off. What is Snazzy's problem? She scared off the hens. Your turn. Read again. Sss, said Snake, but the sheep ran away. Next word. Put your finger on the dot. What sound? Sss, hissed Snake, but the farmer's wife screamed. What is Snazzy's problem? Everyone is afraid of her. Then Snake said, "Wait." Put your finger under the dot. What word? I am very nice. Then Snake smiled a little smile and winked a little wink. What did Snake do to keep the farmer's wife from running away? She smiled and she winked. Put your finger under the word. What word? I have a new friend, the farmer's wife said to Snake. Next word. What word? I see you are quite beautiful in your new skin. Put your finger under the next word. What sound is that? Sss, said Snake. Then she smiled a big smile and winked a little wink. What happened at the end of the story? Yes, Snake made a new friend, the farmer's wife. And how did she feel at the end? I, how does she look? Look at Snake. Snazzy looks happy, doesn't she? She's happy that she made a new friend. I hope you enjoyed the story. And tomorrow, your task is going to be rereading the second story here with a family member. And then I want you to practice retelling the story, beginning, middle, and end. Okay. Talk to you later, boys.